Bonjour, tu parles français? If your learner is curious about learning French, this class, French for Friends by World Language Explorers, is the perfect place to start. In this fun and interactive 8-week online class, learners aged 10 to 14-ish will explore the French language through games, storytelling, and role-playing. Each week brings a new theme, from saying bonjour to ordering food at a cafe, all while building vocabulary, pronunciation, and a little bit of basic grammar. But don't worry, with tools like Nearpod, Kahoot, and Gimkit, learning stays exciting and engaging every step of the way. By the end of the French for Friends course, your learner will be able to introduce themselves, talk about what they love, and have simple conversations in French. Avec confiance, with confidence. There's no experience needed for this class. Just come, be curious, and willing to learn a new language with friends. À bientôt!